Do you need a rooster to have a successful laying flock? I say no. Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. This is Mark and this is Davis Farmstead. I'm down here at one of my eggmobiles, and a lot of people might say that you need a rooster to start a laying flock. I'll say no. I've raised chickens here for 25 years, and 20 of those I've not had a rooster. Never have a problem with them laying eggs. You can see I just fed these. There's no fighting. You know, people say it keeps them in order. Nah, I deny that. There's not a rooster in there, and they're all eating fine. They all getting along fine and all that. People say you need a rooster for egg production. I deny that too. Your eggs come from your genetics of your chicken, the feed that you feed them, your environment, and the amount of light you get a day. So these are all heavy layers, so there's a couple of productions in there. So I should get, you know, 240 to 300 eggs per chicken per year. I feed them a good quality feed from a local grain mill, 22%. I give them fresh grass every day. These are pasture raised eggs, so you don't need no rooster. That's a myth. The only thing a rooster's gonna do is gonna eat your feed, make your neighbors mad, and keep your wife up on Saturday. So forget about the rooster. Not gonna help you not one bit, and they're not gonna protect your flock. Now they will help, maybe if you had some kind of hawk or something coming in, they kind of will alert. But you think a rooster's gonna beat a coyote? You think a rooster's gonna beat a raccoon? You think a rooster's gonna beat a dog? There ain't no way. A hawk, I think the last rooster I had on this farm that was running loose with my flock, I seen a big hawk come down and take it like an aspirin. So it's not gonna help one bit. So, you know, keep that in mind. Don't waste your money if you don't need one. Now, we'll caveat, if you're gonna raise your own chicks and stuff, of course you do need a rooster to fertilize those eggs. And when my kids were young, you know, we had fertilizer, we had a rooster, we had hens, and we'd get the eggs and they'd watch them hatch out and stuff. But I just soon buy pullets now. You can find them on sale for $2 or less. So what's the point? So keep that in mind. Only thing they're gonna do is eat your feed. You don't need them. It's gonna cause you a lot of trouble. They can be aggressive. Just ain't worth it for me. If you just want egg production for your home flock, I say no rooster. Here's your proof you don't need a rooster. It's all from straight hens. Hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate y'all, our viewers. Remember Sunday, hope y'all have a blessed Easter. Remember the empty tomb is our hope. So hope you have a really good church service, real good time with your family and church family. Hit that subscribe button. I can't grow this channel without your help, and we want to grow. So hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.